Right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the winner's choice. What was in this one again? This was the Zedarius, the Smith brothers, the Crosby, and the JT Speed Rep. All right, so there we go. So we'll check the time, August 14th at 1:06 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have August 14th at 1:06 p.m. There is the list of our 21 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Manu. Spot number 14 is our winner. So Manu, please message me with your choice. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, August 14th, 1:06 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.